Hi, I'm John. I'm the Digital Marketing Executive here at ThermoSphere. As a kid I always wanted to be a vet, so probably something like that, or almost a zookeeper, or working at a park animal sanctuary, looking after animals and wildlife and rehabilitating them to the wild. I'm a little bit of a geek, I must confess, so I quite like video games, quite like Call of Duty, FIFA, Halo, so that's probably a nice selection of video games I like to play. That's a difficult one. Probably, I remember as a kid I used to doodle out a car that ran off air. So out of the exhaust came water, I suppose like a hydrogen car now. So, you know, some completely 100% no damage to the environment or planet way of transport. People like to say I'm kind, so I'll maybe say that, and sort of caring, so they're probably those two. And I like to have a bit of a giggle now and then, so yeah, I like to have a bit of a laugh and have a bit of fun. Ooh, £1 million. I would love some land with a woodland and a nice big lake or river, so I could do some water sports and just nice long walks out in the woods. Go and see some new places, some things I haven't been able to do during my life, and then find a nice beach to lie on, read some books, a nice white sand, blue sea, blue sky, just nice and relaxed. If I could change the world in one way, I would like to stop all war. Probably pizza. I love a good pizza, but then also like a nice sirloin steak with a blue cheese sauce and some fries on the side. Can't go wrong with that. Freddie Mercury and Elton John, they would harmonise well together, and I think that'd be some good conversation. Going back in time, someone like Julius Caesar, just to learn more about the Roman times. And then, well, you've got to have it, Arsene Wenger, Thierry Henry, to reminisce about the good times. Sadly, they were in the past, but you know, Arsenal fan, always hopeful. Tennis and table tennis are probably two of my favourite, but then I also like badminton as well. I also enjoy a kick around playing football, so a real mixture of sports, but that's not my favourite. I didn't give you one, I'm afraid. I gave you a favourite four, but they're probably my four favourites. Music. I love a range of music, but Coldplay have been there throughout my life, so I'd have to say Coldplay, and I was fortunate enough to see them at Wembley Stadium recently, so yeah, definitely Coldplay. There's nothing really interesting about me, but if I had to think of anything, probably bushcraft. I really like doing sort of outdoor survival, one with nature, and I wouldn't class myself as a thespian, but I've treaded the boards at a local amateur dramatic society before, so that's something a bit different you may not know about me. Well, probably,